everybody, and thank you for joining us today on Chats and Charts. Today, we will continue to look at C3.ai and watch its price action on Tuesday, May the 30th, and watch its price action from the opening bell all the way through the close. We'll also look at some price targets that we set last week and see how we did. Without further ado, let's do it. All right, so this is Tuesday morning, May the 30th, and this is pre-market. Now, some of the things I want to point out on this AI chart that we looked at last week is, well, actually there's several things. First off, the Fibonacci stuff that I did last week was off because I thought I was using a different Fibonacci tool that I had put in some presets, but I did not. So I will be going more in depth into the Fibonacci tool, and I will be showing you how to set up your own Fibonacci tool the way that I like it. I was using the trading view defaults. All right, so if we take a look at this chart, this is the AI chart from last Friday, and this 44.31 is what we put on the chart last week for substantial resistance because there was a level of support here. And this price here is the current pre-market price, and it has made 32-week highs in pre-market, so I anticipate it to go higher when the market opens in about 1 minute to match those pre-market moves and go further. Now, one of the things that we did not talk about last week was the RSI in Chats and Charts. And the RSI is a relative strength indicator, and it helps to determine momentum. All right, the opening price of AI the market just opened, and there's a gap. This is how gaps happen. So I have spoken about gaps before, but a gap is a break in price from the close of the following candle to the open of the next candle. I'm on the weekly chart here because we've been doing because we were looking at weekly stuff, but let's jump down to the day chart. All right. So in this RSI here, we can see that there is significant overselling. It's significantly oversold. So I'm still expecting it to, based on the pre-market moves, to go up, but the initial market open, there's some sell-off from the pre-market. All right, so now we're back. It's the end of the day, and let's see how C3.ai did. We can see that the price action moved up today, all the way up to the 43.35 line of resistance that I put in earlier last week. And then we see that the RSI here is way overbought. So yeah, this is an example of it fulfilling. This is the price target that I set out last week, and that's how you do a trade. All right, have a great day. Deuces.